welcome back to my channel. So this has turned into lash week, and if you guys saw my last video, you guys saw that I tried out the Sky High mascara. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. I will leave it in the description down below. But today we are here to try the new MakeupGeek Extension Effect Mascara and the new eyelash curler. Personally, I don't use eyelash curlers, so this should be interesting. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I zoomed you in just a tiny bit. So we're going to get into the Extension Effect Mascara. Before we do though, I did want to tell you that it is a matte finish. You are supposed to be able to wear this for 24 hours. Who wears the makeup that long? I'm not sure. Today I am going to do like a check-in at the end of my day, just so you guys can see what everything is looking like. The formula is also made in Italy, and this formula does contain castor oil and some other oil. I will leave it up here on the screen somewhere. So that's going to help protect and strengthen your lashes. Vegan and cruelty free, as I believe most, if not all, MakeupGeek products are. So I'm going to go ahead, probably zoom you in just a tiny bit more, and we will get going on trying this mascara out. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I zoomed you in, and we're going to get into it with the eyelash curler. Now the eyelash curler does say that it's supposed to fit all eye sizes and shapes, so we shall see. I do have long lashes, so I just want to make sure I get them all in here. And then we all know how to use an eyelash curler. That gave me a little something. I'm just going to do one at a time because I like to work with one eye at a time. So getting right into it, you could see the wand is actually nice and thick. I will say I am praying that this works, because these kind of brushes, like, they do stuff for me, but I don't know, I just have better luck with the tapered brushes. Let's see how this goes. As I was saying, I kept my makeup nice and light because I really wanted the focus to be on the eyes, and I like to go from the bottom and kind of like work my way up. I definitely will say that I feel like each lash gets nice and coated, and even though the brush is big, it's not chunking everything together. I feel like I always have that kind of luck when I am using one of those type of mascaras. So far, we are doing well. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to take it about there because I don't want it to clump up too much. I don't really love a clumpy lash, but you guys, I like it. I really feel like at the base, it's like nice and black and full looking, and then up at the top, it's just like wispy. Also, the formula isn't like too wet. It's not drying or anything like that. Like, yeah, I don't know if I can give you guys a side view here. Hold on, let's see. I don't know if you guys could see there. Front, side view. Yeah, you guys, I am so impressed. I feel like I have just always stuck to the same makeup that I use because I never have good luck with new products or different products. I feel like most things just don't work for me, or they do. There's like no in between. So I'm just gonna go in and do the other lash, and I will be right back. Okay you guys, so I am back and I finished that eye. I also went ahead and applied a little bit on the waterline. You guys, I had to like tap the wand like a couple times, and that was enough for what I like. I also went ahead and I cleaned up everything. But really quickly, just a little tip with this mascara. So as I was applying the mascara and I kept dipping it in, I realized that a lot of product was getting stuck on the mascara wand. And for some of you guys like it, like it's fine, like you like it. Personally, I like to kind of like evenly coat the lashes. So I like to go in with like a little bit at a time, not so much mascara that it's getting like chunked on the lash. I don't know how it's looking through the screen, but this lash definitely looks a lot darker than this one, and it was probably like less time to get it this dark. It's just so much mascara was on the wand. So just to avoid like clumpiness and stuff like that, I would just say just make sure you're scraping off some of that excess into the tube and then going in and applying to your lashes. But you guys, so far, like, yes, I like how fast, I like how nice and thick it looks like on my waterline. In my last video, I actually applied a little bit of eyeliner. In this one, I didn't. I just really wanted the mascara to, you know, be the focus and to see how it wears, honestly. So what I'm going to do is go about my day, and I will be back to check in with you guys. I just want to see if anything changes, if I have any like little flakes fall off, if anything like starts smudging or anything like that. And so you guys can see how it wears after a full day. Again, this is supposed to last 24 hours. I'm not going to have it on nearly that long, but I just do want to have a little check-in with you guys and kind of like update you guys. So we'll be back in a second for you, in a full day for me, and I will let you know what's going on here. Okay, you guys, so I am back, and I made it to almost 9 hours. You guys, my eye is watering. I was like literally so close to rubbing my eye, and I remembered. So I am back here to end this video, but I wanted to show you what I'm looking like. This is what I'm looking like. Fairly close to how I was looking when I first applied it. I did get tiny amounts of like little flakes, but it's nothing major, to be honest. I have my glasses on, it could have been that, but there's nothing that I'm like, ooh, watch out for this. Let me go ahead and zoom you out, and then I'll give you like my complete final thoughts. Okay guys, I had to zoom you out. My eyes are red. I just don't want to scare you. So as far as the eyelash curler, you guys, I feel like I'm not the best one to judge the eyelash curler because I'm not one that really uses it. But I've never heard really anybody complain about an eyelash curler except for it not feeling like sturdy. And I will say it feels nice and sturdy. It feels like you're having like a nice grip and pinch, obviously without hurting your lashes, because it has like a nice little spring. So there's that on the eyelash curler. So the mascara itself, the only thing that for me I need to adjust is when applying the mascara, making sure that I kind of like take out the wand and clean out the wand around the tube, just because I like a nice even coat and I don't like to go in with so much so fast. So that is the only thing that I will say I would adjust, but that's not really like, I don't know, something that is huge for me, I guess you could say. I will say I love the mascara and everything. I think it looks really nice. It gives me like that thicker coat faster, I guess you can say. And so that is the biggest thing that I noticed from my like Ride or Die and even the Sky High mascara. I also will say I was scared about the brush. I don't know if I left it in here or if I edited it out, but the big brushes like this that it has, it reminds me of another mascara, and I think it's like the Better Than Sex or something like that. The brush on that mascara, I don't really love it. Like on the first time that I used the mascara, awesome. On the second time, or even by the time I get to the second eye, I feel like it just makes everything clumpy and like ugly and like stick together so fast. And even though this brush is nice and big, I feel like, I don't know if it's the way the bristles are laid out, everything was still like separated and nice. So I will say that. If you want to know something else specific that maybe I'm not saying, hopefully it comes out through the camera, but you can also leave any questions down below. But yeah, I feel like this is a win for me. Like, I would actually use this mascara again. Like, I feel like I will purchase this again. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried it out? Is there any other mascaras you guys want me to try? I feel like this just turned into like lash week. I have lashes that I want to try with you guys. So I don't know. I'm excited. I love lashes. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for being here today. And if there's any other videos you want to see from me, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios.